In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Fashion Glow app. So if you are experiencing any challenge with this Fashion Glow app, maybe the app is not responding, it can't work, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix any of these errors. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Or there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we want to access the app info page to troubleshoot it. You can simply do this by long pressing on your app and tap on app info. If you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Fashion Glow app info page. At this point, first we need to go ahead and clear the app data. And if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data. Currently, you can see my cache data has accumulated to 7.89 MBs. And this might be the reason why this app is malfunctioning. So to fix this, I'll need to clear this cache data. And when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience whenever you use it. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then clear cache and finally OK. And you can see now it has been zeroed. So at this point, start your smartphone and open your app, and now everything should be okay. In most cases, this is enough to fix your issues. However, if you still have any challenge, then you need to go ahead and again go to the app info page, and this time around clear all data and okay, and now the app should be up and working. However, if the second method fails, then go to the third method, and that is to look for the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Fashion Glow model and style app. So once it has been updated, now you'll have the latest version of this app, and now it should work. But in some cases, even after doing all this, you might still encounter issues such as the app is crashing. So if the app is still crashing, then you want to go ahead and uninstall this app completely and then install it afresh. By doing so, you'll be able to clear bugs that might be associated with this app. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.